always got it planned out. Ain't nobody hand me shit, but always got their hands out. Save a couple bands up and bought the rubber bands out. Hit me with the supercharged, did it just to stand out. Damn, I was just trapping at my man's house, sleeping on my man's couch, sold him till we ran out. Now just listen as I twist my weed. I ain't never met a bitch I need. Got the pink slip, this whip ain't rented. All black with the windows tinted. In the way the bucket seats recline, they can fit at least 4 bitches. In my pocket got a meat roll in it. Charge. What's good, YouTube? It's Rohu with the Charger. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Drop a comment. Today, I'm gonna be driving my car in this first snowstorm. Look at this. First snowstorm. This for all the V6 owners who want to know how the Charger drive in the snow. Cause I used to always wonder, I used to ask, everybody used to give me different opinions, but we're gonna see right now today for sure, Got a little slide in. Oh, see? There goes a slide right there. First slide coming out the door, hitting the corner. It's always crazy back here though, and then when I get to the front row, it'll be a little more clear, so hopefully we don't have that much trouble driving. So I ain't even gonna lie, my traction in this snow is horrible, bro. My traction is crazy. I can't even stay on the road. Every corner I turn, I'm sliding around the corner. No cap. What? Yeah, that's crazy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, baby girl. You see the snowstorm out here?
Yeah.
It's crazy snowing out here. Everything covered up in snow. Slush all on the ground. This is crazy, and it just started too. Welcome to Rochester. I'm really sliding around every corner. Watch, let me see if I ain't about to turn yet though, but watch this. Y'all about to see how bad my tires is in this shit. This is horrible, bro. I don't know. V6 is not the car to drive in the snow, man. Leave your V6s in the garage for the snow, man. I hope I don't get stuck nowhere. I need some all-wheel drive around this motherfucker. What? What? Look, every time I try to pull off at a light, my tires just spinning. Look. Look, there it go, drifting. Drifting. Yeah, these roads is dangerous out here right now. I ain't even gonna lie. You gotta know how to drive in this. I see.
Hey, what is this to wear my face?
You gotta know how to drive in this weather. And even if you do, you can't drive for everybody else. Look at this, man. It's crazy. I think it's gonna snow like this all day too. I ain't been vlogging in a minute either, cause I've been running up that bag, man. I've been getting to that work. I don't know if y'all seen, I did 100 something mixtape. I did over 100 mixtape covers last year, and this year I'm trying to do even more. I did over 100 logos last year, and this year I'm trying to do even more. So I've been working so crazy, I ain't even had a chance to drop a video. But what I am gonna start doing is drop videos of me doing work, so y'all can see what I really do. You know, y'all can get a little inside view of my job and my life and my work. Right, baby? Right? These niggas driving crazy in the snow like it ain't snowing, bruh. Yeah, I gotta get me some snow tires or something. I can't go faster, baby, because it's snowing.
Oh.
Getting caught at every light, so I gotta spin out at every light. Yo, this is the most swerving I've ever done. Only good thing about this car is that it's heavy. So that bitch just ain't gonna go, it ain't gonna slide anywhere. And it's gonna push through that snow for sure. But this thing is bad in this snow, man. But everybody's sliding on the road, so I don't even feel bad. But yeah, don't let nobody lie to y'all and tell y'all that the V8, at the V6. Don't let nobody lie to y'all and tell y'all that the V6 is good in the snow, because it ain't. Y'all see, I'm in Rochester, upstate New York, where it get real snowy at. Real snowstorms. This ain't it. I'm pulling the Benz back out. Sorry, Dodge. Sorry, Mopar. I'm pulling the Benz back out. I'm jumping back in the Benz for the winter, because this ain't it. This the last time I'll be driving this bitch in a snowstorm. This is crazy. I ain't even gonna lie. So this is my car's first snowstorm, and this is crazy. I've been in my man Trav house for probably like less than an hour. Couldn't have been no more than an hour. I came outside, the whole car packed, filled with snow. Drifting off right now as we speak. Yo, I wish I could have got the Amazon truck spinning around the corner. Oh, this shit is dangerous. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm about to go home. Oh, my car's spinning. This is no good. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, this ain't no good right here. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm going home. This is dangerous. Snowstorm. Yo, this weather is crazy. Look, tow trucks out, you know that. I ain't even gonna lie, this is not the car for the winter. As far as winter wise, it's the worst day we had all winter. I ain't gonna lie, we ain't had a snow day this bad yet. I ain't seen one yet, especially since I had my car. I don't think I'm gonna be driving my car in days like this though. Look, I'm drifting off right now. This is crazy. I'm sliding everywhere on the road. Get out the road like y'all see what's going on out here. I'm sliding, man. Come on, man. What is you doing, boy? You is bugging. Get out the road, boy. Yo, my car is sliding everywhere. Just trying to drive straight, my car is swerving. It's crazy. This is ridiculous. It's been a chill winter though. I ain't gonna lie. Usually Rochester look like it look right now, but the whole winter has been kind of chill, so we can't even complain about having a little snow day, snowstorm. I want to go skiing though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, my car drifting. My car really sliding though. That's crazy. Yeah. So, in my opinion, the Dodge Charger V6 is not a good winter car. I know, let me not say that. I'm not gonna say it's not a good winter car, but it's not for the snow, for sure. We need some all-wheel drive in this. Gotta hit these corners slow. My car is so heavy that when I turn a corner, I really gotta turn slow because the whole car just swing around the corner. So I really gotta turn the corners mad slow. Y'all stay tuned in. Make sure y'all drop a comment. Hit the notification bell. It's Rover with the Charger. You heard?